Hey everyone, well I'm thrilled to have Mellissa Hopper. She's a registered dietitian with me today. Now Melissa's going to be giving us some healthy alternative tips for not only the little ones but also for us during Halloween. So good to have you, Melissa.
Well, thank you for having me on. I'm excited to share that if you happen to have any trick-or-treaters that come by your house, you can give them some non-candy treats like little Matchbox cars, some little fun pencils, or even a miniature coloring book with some crayons and even bubbles. These are things that the kids get really excited about too, and they're not going to be full of sugar.
Right, and I love that you can get all that at the dollar store. Okay,
Yes.
So what about us adults? I have to admit I still have a major sweet tooth, but sometimes I struggle with, oh God, am I eating too much candy? So what can we do and still have fun?
So we can do an alternative with sugar with stevia. It's an actual stevia plant that produces the stevia, and it can be replaced for all your baking goods with sugar. It doesn't increase the blood glucose, so even the diabetics can get in on the fun.
That's so I can use a cup of stevia instead of a cup of sugar for all baking. That is fantastic.
And you can even sprinkle it on top of your
Awesome.
goods as well.
Well, listen, where can people go to find more health tips from you, Melissa?
They can go to dietitianmelissa.com.
Okay, thank you so much for watching, and we'll have Melissa on again in the future for more health and wellness tips.